So in regard of W coin criteria, so W coin, they have now released their tokenomics of the airdrop that they are going to consider it whenever they are going to calculating the airdrop and been counting the eligible users. So all eligible users must be connected to their Ton wallet and must be completed at least 50 tags. So if you have a less than 50 tags on W coin, so maybe you are not going to be eligible to get the airdrop. So before we go direct into our video, if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So as you can see, like here is the main criteria that they have released an announcement right today. So mates, new eligible condition now live in the airdrop tab. Check them now and complete any you have missed. We are getting closer to the big event, and every fulfilled criteria is a step toward claiming your piece of W coin. Don't wait, the countdown is now on. So the countdown has been now on from right today that we are been telling you this update. So if you have uncomplete, so log into our W coin Telegram mini app so that we can see like how many uncompleted taxes that have been completed. So here is the interface of my W coin, as you can see. So I have uncompleted 32 taxes that have been completed. So I will come later and complete it because I don't want to be I don't want the video I want to make it to be short so that the video will not be taking you longer. So you can use your time so that you can go and complete your all taxes that you didn't complete it. So let's go and check whether our wallet is being connected or not. So wallet connected, it was one of the most keyword like in getting airdrop. Like if you completed all the criteria without connecting your wallet, so definitely we are going to kick you aside. They are going to skip you like in the users that are going to get in the airdrop, in the eligible users. So as you can see, like here is my all achievement in the W coin. So but I didn't spend any ton like obviously. So I have 221 million W coin point, and I have 263 W coin AI. So here it is. So and let's get back into our WAI so that we should claim our unclaimed point. So I have have obviously completed and claim it. So don't forget to come and claim your WAI like time to time. It is to be fulfilled like within to 80 hours, 8 hours to 7 hours or 7 something hours. So here is the most important that I want to like share with you in this video, like this update regarding the wallet connect and 50 tags that we need to have been like achieved it to be eligible for the airdrop. So if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.